Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update, and I'm putting this out early. We're about 8:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time on this Thursday, the 4th of April, 2019. Well, word is that today, Vice Premier Liu and President Trump will meet in the White House. That's the chief Chinese negotiator. And leaks are happening that Mr. Liu and the president will set a date now for the meeting of President Trump and President Xi. If they're doing that, you're pretty well through with these negotiations. You're in the final inch or so, and they won't meet to let the deal fall apart. They both have to have face saved there. I doubt there'll even be negotiations at that point. It'll be more of a signing and saying that they've gotten this behind them. The stock market, which was unchanged when that word came out, has been moving itself higher. Gold has made new lows on this move, along with the silver getting hit and the copper. That's the strange one. When I did my morning subscriber video, I said, and I'm still staying with it, why is copper down on this type of friendly news? I don't quite get that. Energies aren't moving either. You're getting a little bit of a correction in the gasoline. You're getting a pop, though, where I'd expect to see it in the grain markets, and I'd expect that maybe even the pork might get one, although I don't have them up on this board for you. Bitcoin got as high as 52.55, and of course the bulls are all coming out. That was it. The 70% correction in price has seen a bottom, blah, blah. I still don't understand the use of Bitcoin. I understand Bitcoin technology. I understand the blockchain. I don't understand what I use a Bitcoin for other than speculation. Jobless claims, this is a big number. Market came in down 10,000 at 202. They expected the market up 7,000. The weekly fell 38,000, and this brings the lowest level of jobless claims since December 6, 1969, with the U.S. workforce and the population when they were a lot smaller. So just think how many people are at work. Challenger report came out with 60,587 cuts, to the highest quarterly total since the third quarter of 2015. A lot of those cuts, my friends, are in the auto industry. India's central bank, with nobody's being surprised by this, cut its main lending rate for the second time this year, down to 6% for 6.25%. German manufacturing orders, they're in trouble there, dropped 4.2% from January. They were looking for a half-point gain. And what that's going to do, those drop in orders are now bringing out the leading German institutes, and they're saying that they're going to halve the growth this year from 1.9% to 0.8%. Energy analysts, a little later this morning, about 40 minutes from now, looking for a small build in natural gas of 5 billion cubic feet. That compares to 34 billion draw last week and 23 billion draw on average. As I said, the president is going to meet with Premier Liu today, but the real meeting is going to be about setting one up between Premier Xi. And the notes from the latest European Central Bank show that just what I've been suspecting is going on. They're talking about how do they add more stimulus. Forget that litro that they did for the banks. How do they really bring this on? Because these German readings and other are starting to scare people. I want to remind you that I have my webinar today at 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The only way you can get it now is call my staff if you don't have that invite. We're not going to mail them again today. 866-973-2077. Don't call while it's going on. Call beforehand. Our guide to technical indicators. You know, if you watch me, what you like are technical indicators. Otherwise, you can watch anybody out there that says, oh, here's what the day is doing. These reports in the morning are meant for one thing, to bring you up to what might move the market, but I've already put out my subscriber videos. And with those, traders are seeing my ideas on the market, where they're acting back and forth. I talked today about soybean oil and cotton, of all things. So it was interesting what we're doing there. But these are our guides. And on those guides, there's two sets of them. We've made them in the PDFs. This is just how they'll look. They'll print out this way if you want it. We'd like to put them in your hand. How you do that to get these? Simple. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com, under the word education, or you'll see the best way really is you're going to see our carousel of free offers. This is one of the offerings in there, just click it. But as you go through the site, our site is not about how do you get quotes. We do that in our trading platforms. Our site is about how you learn. and it leads you to the different things you learn about. We'll let others go and try to bring people to their site for quotes. Everybody has a laptop or a phone with the quotes and all in it. We don't want to do that. So where you're at, call us. Again, there's our phone number if you want the webinar as well. And I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at 12:30 p.m. today. Have a great day.